Are you taking hold to things of the flesh or things of the spirit? Welcome to Unifier TV, where truth has no fear. There are 9 fruits of the Spirit: love, joy, peace, long suffering, goodness, gentleness, faith, meekness, and temperance. These are all the fruits of the Spirit, and in order to battle those things of the flesh that I named before, we have to take hold of the fruits of the Spirit. Now, there's one thing that we call fruits and vegetables. So we're going to focus on fruits. What is one thing that the grocery store refers to your fruit as? Produce. Fruit and vegetables are called produce. So we have to understand what we are producing in our lives when we choose to take of certain fruits. And if we take hold of the fruits of the Spirit, we are going to produce good things in our life, and we will be healthy and live long lives if we take hold to the fruits of the Spirit. If you were to break down the fruits of the Spirit one by one, you would see how each one of these things will add so much value to your life and also extend your life, bring so much joy and health into your body and to the people around you that, it'll make life much more bearable. Life is never going to be perfect, but if you take hold to the fruits of the Spirit, it will bring health and extend your life and your success and your productivity. That's why it's called produce. So if you're going to take hold of some produce, why not get the best kind of produce, the most fresh, the most with the highest health value and the most nutrients and vitamins? So we take so much time to pick over the right fruits. We don't care to do the same in our personal lives. So take hold to the fruits of the Spirit and realize that the fruits that you put into your body will produce different outcomes.